Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is the pulley shown in the figure has a radius of 10 centimeter and moment of inertia of 0.5 kg meter square about its axis. Assuming the inclined plane is to be frictionless, calculate the acceleration of the 4 kg of block. So हमको 4 kg block का यहाँ पे acceleration निकालना है in the given question. Let's see how can we do. So first of all, we will draw the basically the free body diagram. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो पुली है, it is having some angular acceleration of alpha, let's say. और यहाँ पे हमारे पास अगर वी विल ड्रॉ द फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ऑफ द 4 kg एंड दिस 2 kg, सो वी कैन से दैट दोनों का मास mg यहाँ पे नीचे को लग रहा होगा, लेट्स से दैट इज m डैश g. तो यहाँ पे इनका एक कंपोनेंट आ रहा होगा along the inclined plane, that is nothing, it is mg sin 45, because as we can see from the free body it is going to be 45 और ये वाला हमारे पास हो जाएगा cos थीटा. तो cos वाले का हमारे पास यहाँ पे काम नहीं है, we are going to only use the sin term. तो sin theta in this direction. Let's say the tension on this block, that the 2 kg block is let's say T1 and the 4 kg block is let's say T2. तो यहाँ पे अगर पूरा सिस्टम अगर हमारा क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन मूव कर रहा है, सो वी कैन से दैट 4 kg वाला ब्लॉक हमारा यहाँ पे मूव कर रहा होगा m into a से, और यहाँ पे 2 kg वाला ब्लॉक हमारे पास m डैश into a से ऊपर को जा रहा होगा. So this is going to be the free body diagram for this question. Now we can say from this free body diagram, so we can say that from this FBD, that is nothing, it is free body diagram, we can write that for the 2 kg of mass, that is T1 minus m1 into g sin theta, which is nothing, it is equals to m1 into a. Let's say this is equation number 1. For the pulley, we can write that T2 minus T1 is equals to I multiplied by A divided by R square. Let's say this is equation number 2. And for this second mass, we can write that M2 into G sin theta minus of T2, which is equals to M2 into A. Let's say this is the equation number 3. Now we are adding equation number 1 and equation number 3. So we can say that adding 1 and 3, so we are getting that m2g sin theta plus we can write minus of t2 plus t1, which is minus of m1g into sin theta. And on solving this part, what we are getting that m1 plus m2 multiplied by a. So this is we are getting on adding the equation number 1 and equation number 2. On solving this equation, what we are getting that m2 minus m1 multiplied by g sin theta, and which is nothing, it is equals to we can write that, sorry, this plus we will write for this part, so it will be minus of r divided by r square multiplied by a, and this is equals to m1 plus m2 multiplied by a. Further solving this equation, we can write that m2 minus m1 multiplied by g sin theta, and which is equals to m1 plus m2 multiplied by a plus I divided by r square multiplied by a. So therefore we can just write the value of a. This implies that this a is nothing, this a we can find, and a is nothing, it is equals to m2 minus m1 multiplied by g sin theta, and this is whole divided by m2 plus m1 multiplied by plus we have I divided by r square. So now we will put all the values. So यहाँ पे सारी values put करते हैं सबकी, because we know all the values. तो यहाँ पे है m2 की value है 4, m1 की value है 2, g की value we can take it 10 for now, and sin theta is 1 upon under root of 2, because हमें यहाँ पे दे रखा है basically हमें sin 45 दिया था, तो sin 45 हमारे पास basically 1 by under root 2 होती है, divided by we have m1 plus m2, that is 4 plus 2 plus I हमारे पास 0.5 है और r स्क्वायर हमारे पास 0.01 हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे इन सबको सॉल्व करेंगे, एंड वी कैन से दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 6 plus 50. And finally what we are getting that the acceleration is coming out to be 0.248. On approximating, we can say that it is coming out to be 0.25 meter per second square. So this is the final value of the acceleration, that is 0.25 meter per second square for this system, and this is the answer. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.